everybody. Today we're going to demonstrate the FridgeBuddy from KoolFriends, the FridgeBuddy Pengi in this case. There are two models, a penguin and a president. You receive this box, you take it out of the box. You see it's a very funny character. This is the sensor it needs, so it will see the lightning in your fridge. This is the battery compartment. You can open it very easily, slide it to the bottom, and you will have to place two AAA batteries inside. They are not included in the package. You put them in, make sure that they're very good placed. And then you just slide this box to close it. On the bottom you will see two buttons. This is for the language selection, and this is to record your own message. And this is on and off. And now we're going to place it in the fridge. Okay, we're at the fridge now. Open the fridge. I will put it in the position that it has standard talking. I will place it here. I'll show you. And I will now close the fridge. Okay, so now I placed it in the fridge. I will open the fridge now. Let's see what happens.
Hello, are you still here? It's getting really hot. Please close the fridge door. It's so hot in here.
Okay, let's close the fridge door as Pengi requested us. And it will stop. And if you reopen the fridge again, it will start all over.
Hello, are you still here?
Okay, now I will show you, we pre-recorded a message and I will show you how it works. I put it in pre-recorder mode. And here we go. He helps you to take healthy stuff. Thank you.